House on Masterpiece Theater.
Hilarious.
They make this stuff look so easy on TV. And with the right know-how, it is.
The Home Depot is proud to support Ask This Old House and to give you the know-how to tackle any project. The Home Depot. You can do it, we can help you.
Not only can Schlage locks improve the look of your home, but they can also improve your peace of mind. They're designed to be easy to install and to keep your home safe and secure. Schlage locks are a proud sponsor of Ask This Old House.
Portions of Ask This Old House are brought to you by GMC. Makers of professional grade trucks and SUVs.
Good morning, Roger. How you doing? Hey, Kev. How are you? All right. What are you working on?
Well, I got an email from a homeowner saying he's having a hard time growing apples.
You really don't grow apples?
Piece of cake. Or should I say, piece of pie.
Oh, Roger, making the funny.
I'll talk to you.
Check back in you later. Good morning. I'm Kevin O'Connor, and welcome back to Ask This Old House, where our experts are working on your questions, whether they're about landscaping or about something a bit more serious like radon gas. Hey, guys.
Hey, Kevin.
So what do you know about radon?
I know it is not good for you.
Nope.
And I know you want to get it out of your house. What do you know about it?
Well, it turns out quite a bit, thanks to some work that I recently did with an expert.
Okay,
So
tell.
let's see. It's a gas. It's odorless. It's invisible.
All right, Paul.
It's naturally occurring.
Okay.
It's in the soil.
No.
It comes from
Wait for now.
uranium and radium. And it is a lot more prevalent than most people think. And here's the worst part.
You're mean, Daddy.
Every year, over 20,000 people die.
That's hilarious.
of
Help me!
lung cancer.
Get help me!
Like, it's bad stuff.
Help! Get Daddy!
That is. Oh, and there's more. It is measured in a unit called picocuries per liter. And the EPA says anything higher than a
The fact that she has that sweatshirt on.